You just found the 2013 Volvo S60. With less than 90,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. Here's a sleek and tasteful S60 that's designed with your safety and comfort in mind. Effortless athletic performance, contemporary Scandinavian style, premium build quality, desirable amenities, and industry-leading technology combine to make this luxury sports sedan truly exceptional. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: keyless entry, satellite radio, premium sound system, heated mirrors, fog lamps, electronic stability control, dual zone AC, aluminum wheels, power driver seat, steering wheel audio controls. Get the security you need and the performance you love in this stylish S60. Our team will give you an outstanding test drive experience. Stop in today.